Alright boys, welcome back. We're going to do a little saltwater fly fishing today. Got to change out the fly. This fly's got to go. This one right here. Got to get that out. We're going to be doing a little snook fishing today. Hopefully. You know, we're not expecting anything. But this is your intro. It's a beautiful, cloudy, stormy looking morning out here. But we're going to fly fish this right here. You know, got like an hour before they kick us off. So, without further ado, let's get out on the water. It's looking good, let me tell you. It's looking real good. Alright guys, so today, we're gonna go with something that is not a heavy fly and that it sinks. But we want it big, so we're gonna have to go with this one right here. Everything else we have is pretty heavy looking. So let's go with this guy. All right, we're going with this guy right here. Definitely looks like a shrimp. I think a snook will eat that right there. That's good. So let's get that on the line and we'll be back once we're on the water. All right, boys, we're gonna start here and basically walk down towards our car. So let's try to get a fly in the water. It's definitely low enough tide. It's freezing cold. That's for sure. It's cold. It's definitely cold enough. We'll see. We shall see if we can get us a snook. I saw them, last time I saw them, they were around there, right there. All right guys, first fish. I think it's a small jack or a blue runner. Not sure what this is. He hit it in the deep. Yeah, it's a jack. I can tell by how he's fighting. That's a definite jack. Well, at least we're catching fish. That's what it's all about, let me tell you. He's got a little fight, a little bit. It's a little blue runner or a jack. Yeah, little blue runner. There he is. Got me. These little fins he's got on the bottom, he'll get you. There we go, he's out. Oof. It's these little fins right here, right there. That'll fuck you up. Alright. Very cool. Alright, let's keep fishing. Let's do it just like that, boys. We are on again. This is, I don't know what this is. It's got me all the way to the reel. It's definitely pulling drag. Oh yeah, wow, it's a bigger jack. Definitely a bigger jack. Damn, there's actually some fish here. That feels like a bigger jack to me. It definitely doesn't feel like... Oh, oh, wow. Might even be some fall tarpon out here. This is good. We're on. Yeah, another bigger blue runner. Wow. Nice. Wow, they are vicious out here. There he is. A little bit bigger fish, let me tell you. Wow, they like that fly. There he is. Fish number 2. If there's a school of them, we'd probably be out here all morning hooking them. So that'll be fun. Here. Beautiful. But I think he's a blue runner or a jack. With those 2 spikes on the bottom, you think he's a blue runner, but don't mark me on that. Let's let him go. Well, we got hit. Oh yeah. Oh, we're on. Wow, that was fast. Oh my, that was so fast. No way. It's a little jack. Another blue runner, I bet. Still, that's fun. It's just nice to catch fish, let me tell you. It really is. But yeah, he's got a little more fight in him, whatever he is. Yeah, he's a little jack or blue runner again. Seems to be a school of them out there in the deep. That's usually where I will. Ooh, he's got some to him. Let me tell you. This isn't a small one. Well, yeah, he's small. He ate it. That's the thing. Here he is. Yeah, he ate that. All right, buddy. We need you to get out. Nice hookup too. It's right in the mouth. There, he's free. Another same kind of fish. There he goes. Another one. Hopefully we got a snook or a trout or a tarpon. Oh. Wow. Oh, I just got hit right there. What's going on? It's wildin'. We gotta go. Let me tell you guys, they are chasing this fly. Those blue runners, oh my God, they're on it. They're on it. Wow, look, he was right there. He was about to eat it right in front of us. Just vicious, like those Jackson blue runners. They are vicious. There, he's right behind it. Somebody was. But yeah, we're fishing this deep area. It's a little cloudy for the bonefish. So we'll be back if we hook something awesome. Hey buddies, where are the snook?
Got a drink now, mix it with my soda. Driving fast in my car, that's a Nova. We go back and forth, that's a Rota. I on a Bentley coupe, not a Toyota. Yo, it's stretchy, yeah, just like some yoga. That gas, that key, that's a Roma. He drive my car for me, that's a chauffeur. I on a Bentley coupe, not a Toyota. Yo, it's stretchy, yeah, just like some yoga. That gas, that key, that's a Roma. He drive my car for me, that's a chauffeur.